Number 5. Corsair Carbide Series 175R RGB. Give your system a look that's both clean and classic with smooth curved edges, a polished finish, and a front-facing Corsair logo backlit by an RGB fan with 6 customizable RGB LEDs. An edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel window shows off your PC's components. A full-length PSU cover hides your PSU and cables out of sight, making immaculate builds easier to create than ever. Fits up to 6x120mm or 4x140mm cooling fans for terrific airflow that keeps your PC cool, or multiple radiators in sizes up to 360mm included RGB fan to compatible ASUS, Gigabyte, or MSI motherboards and their accompanying software. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Cooler Master Masterbox NR600. Minimalistic mesh design, elegant design elements are applied to mesh for optimal thermal performance. Optimal thermal performance. With or without OD support. Headset jack. The single 4-pole headset jack features both audio and microphone capabilities. Flush tempered glass side panel design. The tempered glass side panel, fastened by thumb screws on the rear panel, keeps the surface flush and unobstructed. Graphics card support up to 410mm. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Fantex Eclipse P400. Full metal body, steel exterior, and tempered glass side panel. Clean interior PSU cover and HDDs. 10-color RGB downlight plus RGB power light with on/off switch. 300mm RGB LED strip included. Optimal airflow, direct airflow to CPU/GPU. Fully equipped with magnetic dust filters. Innovative modular HDD system, requires PHDDKT02. 2x drop and lock SSD brackets included. Long GPU, supports up to 15.2 in. Full-size PSU support. Removable HDD cage for installation of long PSUs, 270mm, water pump. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Thermaltake H200. Ultimate design, clean exterior with RGB lighting strip at the front and an illuminated logo displayed aside. Light up, RGB lighting strip, 19 lighting modes and 7 colors simply controlled by RGB button. Clear view of PC gaming, 14mm tempered glass with standard mounting. Full-length PSU cover, special ventilated design enhances airflow and hides unsightly cables. 2x1+1 drive bay, 3.5x2 or 3.5x1+2.5x1. Supports mini ITX micro ATX motherboard. I/O port, USB 3.0, 2 HD audio, 1 RGB button. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Cooler Master Masterbox TD500. Polygonal mesh features a 3-dimensional contour and is also capable of simultaneously providing high airflow and dust filtration. A crystalline tempered glass side panel dons a crystalline design, precision engineered for strength as well as aesthetics. 3 included addressable RGB fans flood the build with lighting while providing considerable airflow. For enthusiast-grade cooling, 2 360mm radiators are supported on the top and front panel to keep the most extreme systems cool. Support for up to 7 120mm fans and front, top, and rear liquid cooling ensure the utmost in performance. Please check the description for details and best price.